Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's problem is: consider hypothetical locus for tuberculosis resistance susceptibility with alleles TR resistant and TS susceptible. When exposed to the tuberculosis pathogen, genotype TR individuals survive 90% of the time and genotype TS individuals survive 30% of the time. What is the value for survival percentage of TS individuals if the locus exhibits, and here three variants. Variant A, complete dominance, and TR is the dominant allele. This line is not a representation of the chromosome, just a representation of three genotypes relationship to each other. For example, here we have genotype TR. Here we have genotype TR and TS, and here is a homozygous genotype TS. So the first variant, complete dominance and TR, is dominant allele. This genotype would produce 90% resistance. This is going to produce 30% resistance. If we have TR allele, which is going to be completely dominant over the TS allele, then these two genotypes would make one phenotype. Heterozygous genotype would show the same phenotype as homozygous TR genotype and would be also 90% resistant to tuberculosis. So the answer to the first question is going to be 90%. Question B, complete dominance and TS is a dominant allele. So this time this is going to be dominant genotype, and heterozygous also has this allele, and that means that both heterozygous genotype and homozygous dominant genotype for this trait would show 30% resistance to this disease, so 30%. The last question, if there is no dominance. If there is no dominance, this genotype is 90% resistant. That means that input of each this allele is 45%. So we consider this trait as quantitative trait, and in this case each allele here would give 15% of resistance. And that means that here this TR allele is going to give 45% and TS allele is going to give 50% of the resistance. And together this is going to be 60% resistance of this genotype. So we put for the third question answer as 60%. And we will see three genotypes and three distinctive phenotypes. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.